Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I all hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share a very beautiful, very charming looks of this video. It's all about the crochet flowers ideas. Crochet flowers ideas are most important videos. Hope everyone likes so attractive and stunning designs. If any videos related, any pattern related to any stunning visual in a beautiful charming looks and different types of crochet flowers are also you will be also good things and different types of videos of if any videos related any pattern related to any stunning videos or crochet flowers are trendy videos in a trendy designs. You will be also good things and different amazing videos are also good ideas. You will be amazing and most demanding videos. Keep me attractive and sharing a good more attractive video. Most demanding videos are also good things, are also charming videos. Hope everyone likes so attractive videos. You will also good things, also charming and demanding videos. Keep me attractive and sharing a good things and most demanding videos. You will also good things and attractive videos. Are also good idea and beautiful things. Keep me attractive and beautiful ideas. So beautiful things ideas, you will be also beautiful good things. So let's go, inshallah we will meet again in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys are interested in my videos in my channel. Take care of yourself. Allah.